Good morning, everyone. So, I hope you all are fit and fine. Beta, we will start today our new topic, that is fractions. Okay? What are fractions? I know most of you already know what are fractions. So, fractions, a fraction is written in A by B form. Fraction can be written in the A by B form, where A is any number and B is any number, but B must not be equal to 0. A fraction is a number which can be written in the form of A by B, where A is called numerator. Here A is numerator and B is denominator, and denominator must not be equal to 0. Okay. So fraction is a number which can be written in A by B form, where A is called numerator, B is called denominator, and B must not be equal to 0. I am writing few examples of fraction. 1 by 2, 3 by 8, 4 by 9, etc. These all are the examples of fractions. One more thing, fractions are always positive. Okay, fractions are always positive. Fine. And one more thing, now to make fractions more clear to you, I am giving one more example. Suppose this, see, we all know this is a circle, right? Now I have divided this circle into 4 equal parts. I have divided this circle into 4 equal parts. Now if I shade one part, now tell me the fraction shaded of this circle. The answer is 1 by 4, because there are total 4 parts, and out of the 4 parts I have just shaded 1. So the fraction is 1 by 4. So fraction is a part of whole. Through this example, I just want to tell you that fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is not a complete, fraction is a part of whole. Clear? Now let us study about different types of fractions. So first one is proper fraction. So what are proper fractions? What is proper fraction, beta? The fraction whose numerator is smaller than the fraction whose numerator is smaller than the denominator, like 4 by 9, 3 by 6, 1 by 5. In all these, numerators are smaller than the denominator. Here 4 is numerator, here 3 is numerator, and here 1 is numerator. 9 is denominator here, 6 is denominator here, and 5 is denominator here. So in all these fractions, numerators are smaller than denominator. So these all are the examples of proper fraction. Okay. Next is improper. Improper fraction is opposite of proper. Here numerators were smaller, but here numerators are greater than denominator, or they can equal to also. Like 9 by 3, 8 by 5, 1 by, don't write 1, 4 by 2. These all are the examples of improper fractions. See, in all these examples, numerator is greater. Now, 3 by 3, 8 by 8, 7 by 7. These all are also example of improper example, because in improper fractions, numerator and denominators can be same also. So in improper fraction, either the numerator is greater or it will be equal to the denominator. I am repeating, in improper fraction, either the numerator is greater than the denominator or it is equal to the denominator. Okay. Now coming on to next fraction, that is like and unlike. Why I said like and unlike together? Because they are also interrelated. Like fractions and unlike fractions. Now what are like fractions? Beta, like fractions are those whose denominators are same. So whose denominators are same, like 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 7 by 3, etc. See, in all these fractions, denominators are same. So these are the example of like fractions. Unlike is opposite of like. Here denominators are different, like 1 by 2, 7 by 8, 9 by 6, etc. See, in all these fractions, denominators are different. So this is an example of unlike fraction. Now next is unit fraction. What is unit fraction? Unit fraction is that fraction whose numerator is 1. So numerator 1, like 1 by 8, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, etc. Numerator must be 1, denominator can be any. Like I have here written 8, here I have written 3, here I have written 9. So denominator can be any, but numerator must be same. Sorry, numerator must be 1. Numerator must be 1 in case of unit fraction. So in case of unit fraction, numerator must be 1, denominator can be any. Okay. Now next fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Beta, improper fraction you can write in mixed fraction. Improper fraction you can write in mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of proper fraction and a whole number. I am giving you one example. Suppose the fraction is 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 is improper fraction, right? 7 by 3 is an improper fraction. Only improper fraction you can convert into mixed. So this is improper. Now you can convert this into mixed. How you can convert this improper into mixed? Divide it. 3, 7. 3 2s are 6. 1 you will write in remainder. Now, how to write this? In between you will write the quotient. Remainder you will write in the place of numerator. And this divisor you will write in the place of denominator. Okay. So 2, 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction of 7 by 3. Now see, this 2 is whole number and 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. 2 here is a whole number and 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. So mixed fraction is a combination of proper fraction and a whole number, and only improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Clear? Now our last fraction, which is simplest fraction. You can also call it simplest form or equivalent fraction. Now what is simplest fraction? Simplest fraction, beta, suppose the fraction is 4 by 6. Now convert this into simplest fraction. The answer is 2 by 3. So simplest fraction is the fraction in which HCF is numerator of HCF of numerator and denominator is 1, or you can say where nothing is common in numerator and denominator other than 1. The fraction whose HCF is 1 of numerator and denominator, that is called simplest fraction. Clear everyone?